Good morning, listeners, and welcome to Sinclair's Family of the Earth FM. Today's weather forecast is cloudy with a bit of sun. Yeah, and today's headlines are Caprici had naughty hair, Axel spent some time on the loo, and Mummy put on some makeup. I am your host today, Radio Awesome DJ Cole Sinclair. So why don't you, the listener, come with us today as we are here in, where are we? Bingley. Yeah, so we're going on a waterfall trail today and the hunt of waterfalls. We've got no idea where they are. We've never been here before.
See which way we're going.
Yeah, so Mummy needs to check the phone. We are already lost. Oh, look at that cottage. That little doorway there with the stairs. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, we've got some chickens here. Hello.
Back.
That is a beautiful couple of cottages and stuff, isn't it? And gorgeous bridge. Axel?
Yeah?
Yeah? Can you remember not being vegan?
Yeah?
You can? Yeah. Now, do you like being vegan?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the best part about being vegan?
Because you don't eat animals that died.
That's right.
Oh, I know how to do this.
Hey! Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
It's muddy, watch out, though.
Oh, it is a bit muddy, this, isn't it? Do we go left?
Here we go, right.
Woods to the left of me, woods to the right, here I am. Oh, Axel's decided to run it.
Alright, go on, buddy. Go.
Go on, buddy, you can do it. You two not running? So as the rest of us struggle up this, behind this 6-year-old.
Oh, running.
Oh, come off it.
That could be a bear pooing.
A bear pooing. A really heavy loud poo. Plop. What is this? It's like a castle.
I don't know.
Now you're gonna have to climb through the window.
I wonder what it is. Like, what was it? Like someone's like little...
I would, if I was to put a guess,
Yeah.
judging by this big archway,
Yeah.
which looks like a window, possibly like an old chapel.
What do you think?
Yeah, maybe an old church or something, I don't know. Look at this, the rock formations and the view from here of the trees is just wow. Right guys, we're lost. And I mean, we have no idea where we are. Slight idea, I think that's the woods we came from. Thankfully we've got Google Maps, but
Well, that's not really a help sometimes,
yeah, it has got us lost
to be honest.
on more than one occasion. Is it back that way? Yeah. So a good job we weren't going by my sense of direction, I was just going there. The teenager's fallen asleep. Were you TikToking?
No, just walking.
What was your hands doing? Show us your moves.
I'm savage. Classy, booty, red. Sassy, moody, nest. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening?
Oh, did you get a little shy? Mommy, show us your moves.
I don't know them.
You don't know them? Yeah.
Have you learned any TikTok?
I haven't learned any yet. Does anybody want to see that?
Comment below, should Mummy start up a TikTok? Yeah, comment below, do you want to see some of Mummy's moves?
What's the move?
What's the move?
Want to see how it's working?
Did you just twerk, Axel? Show me your twerk. And so found a little path off. We won't film you back there because it's all private property, but it's really nice like area. And looks like we're going back to the park, so
Kind of got a bit lost.
yeah, I think we might have missed the what. Oh no, what's that over there? With a
I think that's the way in.
oh cool, look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, that's beautiful.
There's a way in.
So guys, we took you on an adventure. You wanted a waterfall, here it is. How beautiful is that? I mean, that is Mother Nature at its best. Right, let's go home.
Oh my goodness, look up there.
Oh wow. Oh, look at this. This is cool. How awesome is this? What have we found? Oh? Well, no one's put anything up to say that, have they? If it is, well, let's apologise. Oh no, I think this is a riverbed. You trying to skim some stones there? You need flat round ones.
You need a flat round one.
It's been a while since I've done this, so Axel, watch.
You watching, mate?
Nope.
Oh.
Gonna go over your head.
Ah, that one got two. Oh.
Stay down.
I found a love heart.
Now that was revenge.
There we go.
Oh, that's nice.
Colin loves Claire. So,
Is it down this rock?
yeah, damn what? What do you need to do? You've already got like the shape of it.
It's that tiny one.
Not the silent, but put them next to each other like this.
Oh,
Axel, come
look
out.
at these looking at us in the water.
You got
Come
somebody?
on, put some in there, mate.
Yeah, under here. This one! Daddy, look! This
Yeah.
one looks perfect!
That does look perfect. Well done, buddy.
I'm doing the perfect one.
Finished our little dam, haven't we, Caprice?
Yeah!
Yeah, Axel's still building away. There's one or two leaks, but still got a nice little pool there. Oh,
Oh, okay. I think this is the
wow.
waterfall.
I feel really stupid.
I think we've done the waterfall.
I don't feel right now.
Why do you feel stupid, Daddy?
Because I thought that tiny waterfall back there
Yeah.
was the waterfall that we'd walked for all this time.
No.
That's the waterfall.
Okay, this is my favourite part now.
Oh, check this one out, guys. How amazing. Look at that, guys. Look at the whole shape of this. Could you imagine any more picturesque to have lunch? Because that's what we're about to do.
Look how high that is.
This is just breathtaking. On the doorstep again, isn't it? What have we paid? £13?
£13.
And
Not done lunch, but we're going to have to
yeah, just amazing. Worth every single penny. And it's taking all my willpower not to get in there. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
oh yeah.
It does.
Rrr, what do you call him?
Angry man.
Angry man.
Gotta get to Mum, Dad. Come on, two beds. Get to Colin and Claire. Ooh, careful, careful. No drop here.
The size of that is huge. Oh, Grace! Surely you just did that. Did you just do that on purpose? Ah! Oh, you stink.
What did she say?
Where am I going? I'm going to Millennium.
What sounds
One of these. Do not step it. It's not just grass like these.
Ibago Maro Steptons and Carpoo. It's only a bit of poo, at least you didn't sit on it. Come here, buddy. Hello. Oh, aren't you beautiful? Friend? I'm vegan. I won't hurt you.
No, I won't.
Come on, we're scaring him. Let's step back. Come on then, buddy. We don't want to scare them, do we? Bye. Right guys, just what we'd show you now. We've just sort of walked from underneath that by bridge all the way around here. We think we started off in that way. Yeah, that could be the forest. We're not 100% certain. And we're just going to go that way to finish it off. So we're going to have done a complete circle. All in all, it's been about 10 miles, but it's been 10 miles of absolutely beautiful scenery. Had a great day. Wonderful waterfalls, including the first one.
Yes.
But which was also probably the least spectacular. Unless something amazing comes up, this will probably be the last part that we'll film outside today, and we'll end the video at home. So we'll probably see you there. Right guys, we're back. We're extremely tired. According to the watch, we did 35,053 steps. So that's quite impressive. It's around about a 10-mile walk as well in total today. So we're all very tired, and we're going to finish tonight now with a cup of tea, a couple of biscuits, watch a movie. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope that you guys go out, enjoy this world, enjoy your local areas. You know, it doesn't cost much. It's there. Enjoy it. Until then, love this planet, love yourselves, love each other, love the animals. Don't be an earth pooper.
Be an earth trooper.